Now, I'm not going to spend as much time as I did this morning on splitting a cord of wood and explaining what it is. If you've done it, you know it's not easy, nor is it fun. Well, it might be. It certainly is a physical exercise. Okay? Josh can split a cord of wood in 4 days. So let me ask you, what's his rate? Raise your hand. What's his rate to do the job is to split a cord of wood. What is his rate, Chambliss? 1/4, right? 1/4 of the job is done in a day. So this is Josh's right? Okay. His rate is 1/4. We don't know what the time is. It would take him, if the time was 4, he would do the job in 4 days. Okay. Here's Dad. I'm experimenting. Rate, time, job. Okay. His father can split a cord of wood in 2 days. Okay. So his rate, Eva says, is 1/2. Okay. Now, how long will it take them to split a cord of wood if they work together? Okay. Now, we know that if Josh works for this amount of time, that's how much of the job he gets done, right? Rate times time equals job. His dad, Helena, is working with him, so it's the same amount of time, right? So the amount of job that the dad does is 1/2 T, right? The time is the same. What do we want the work of those two added together to equal? How much of the job? Cameron?
All of it.
All of it. Or one job. One whole job. That's it. Bless you. Now, let's see how long it takes the two of them working together to do it. Remember, Josh takes 4 days by himself. Dad takes 2 days by himself. It's got to be less than 2 if they're working together. Let's see. Common denominator is 4. Bless you. We're looking for how long? We're looking for T. Okay? That's going to be 3/4 T is equal to 1. Multiply, what do I do here? I'm sorry. Alan? Reciprocal, right? Multiply by the reciprocal, 4/3, 4/3, and the time is equal to 4/3 or 1 1/3 hours, minutes, seconds, months, days? Days. Because remember, our job was in terms of days. The two of them working together can chop a cord of wood in 1 1/3 day. Did that make sense? Have you done that before? We're not thinking of distance now, we're thinking of a job. Right? If your job was to go 10 miles, then that would be a distance, right? But now we're just thinking about cutting wood. Right? It's all about rate and time. Rate and time. Yeah, Miles.
So wait,
Okay, I'm waiting.
sorry. The time unit is always going to be the unit of the rate. So if you have days, is there ever going to be anything that's like different rate and not rate instead of days?
1 job, 4 days,
Yeah.
or 1/4 of a job in 1 day.
Right. Is that rate something
You mean, is it ever going to be something different than days, or will they be different? Will they be different units?
Right, and then you just
You have to put them into the same units.
go for the one that's
To go for the smaller
smaller
unit,
yeah.
right? So if it were days and hours, convert to hours. If it was hours and minutes, convert to minutes to make sure they have the same unit.
Then your rate could be over 1.
Cameron, talk to me. Hang on to that. No, it would be a part of the job in minutes. It's still going to be a fraction. It's getting close. Thank you. Thank you. Cameron, what were you going to say? About something else? All right. Let's look at the next example.